So crazy turn of events. We're gonna start the video off today in a great positive way. If you guys saw my video 2 days ago, you saw that Christina was freaking out on me because she thought somebody was stalking our house, which obviously is not the case, even though the video kind of portrays that way. I never put the truck in the video. It is in the thumbnail, so you guys can see the truck, but now we have the truck here in person at my job. And I want to let you guys know, one, he will be back on the channel. We're gonna do some work to his truck, but I want to let you guys know that he is a friend, Mr. Byron. Nice to meet you finally. You know, nobody was stalking the house. I want to make sure you guys know that you know, nothing like that was going on. Nobody's in danger or anything. Super glad that, you know, he was able to get in touch with me. We're gonna take a look at his truck and, you know, just fix a couple small things. So he will be back on the channel, but you know, good news to start off the day. No stalkers, no anything like that. Definitely have a new subscriber, hopefully, and a new friend on the channel, but just want to make sure you guys knew everything's okay. Bean, what's he doing?
It's an S, M as in Mike, U.
What's he doing?
Dash 7706.
No, shouldn't be on my power rack or my flywheel.
Dang. Jake's ordering exhaust for his truck. Trying to. Who decided to park that trash can next to your truck, Jake? Crazy.
He doesn't have that fancy remote start stuff.
Nah. Oh no, no, oh no. Oh, where are we going?
Waffle.
Waffle House. What is that, Jake?
We got the popcorn.
Let's go! Open it. Turn the music down, Holy shit.
437. I'm at 66.
So happy.
This is a big moment.
Oh, what a day.
Lance is so happy back there.
What a day.
Hey.
All I'm saying is we're popping down.
We're about to get it going.
What's the holdup?
Oh, it looks like a new one.
A new one?
And they threw in some corn.
Stop that. Oh, you can't say that. Yeah, don't say that.
Look, it's got oil in it and everything.
Let me check something.
That's like, I think there's oil in that. Yeah.
This is a professional. It's got butter and all.
Maybe that was their apology for taking
Oil, butter,
I think
corn.
everything's better now.
Well, hold on, let's wait. No, I wouldn't go that far. Is that a new one?
It looks like a new one.
For those of you that don't remember,
Clean hearts.
the Snap-on popcorn machine is the biggest thing in this shop right now. Our lives have not been the same since the fall of the popcorn machine. We finally got it back. That looks like a brand new one.
That's a new one. Jake, do you remember how to do it?
Ooh. Raise it up.
Look how shiny.
Raise it up. Raise it up to the heavens.
Should we clean it first?
Put water in it. If you don't put that goddamn thing,
Get it going.
if you don't put that thing in the goddamn machine.
I think we need to season it with some green.
Simple greens.
For the old.
Yeah, we didn't clean the old one probably the best way.
Well, yeah.
Get these peanuts out of here.
It smells so good.
Oh, it's already popping.
It smells so good. We're not playing games anymore.
So on the instructions it says put the seasoning salt in there with it. No.
Who said that? On the parent?
Look, there it goes.
Oh. When you finally blow your load. Oh, there it goes.
They normally do have popcorn at Target,
Hey, it's Target colored.
O'Reilly, that's white. O'Reilly.
That looks so amazing. How is it?
Oh my god.
That's white. They got a picture of a white woman on there.
Let me get in there.
Damn it, dude.
Dump it.
You want burnt popcorn?
Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Don't let it burn.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Woo!
The Volvo goes. The Volvo no brakes.
That's some good corn.
Don't adjust it. You put the seasoning salt in there?
Let's check it
Is it good like just how it is? Here.
Put it in my hand, just a small scoop.
Wow. Of heaven.
Yes. Alex, all I'm saying is that video is getting demonetized.
Oh my god.
Why would eating popcorn get demonetized?
So good, make it slightly lower. Yeah.
Something about me blowing my first load.
Even the kernels in there are still golden. Yeah. So good. We had to start buying that shit. I think that's what Kenneth was talking about.
I hope you guys know it's been about 30 days since I've had a good night's sleep. Sleep like a fucking baby tonight.
Knowing that we'll have corn tomorrow.
Knowing that we'll have corn tomorrow.
We get to watch corn every day now.
So I got some pretty good news for you guys today. On top of, you know, the popcorn machine being back at work, thank God. I think I found a great spot for us to do a truck meet. And no, it's not your normal location. This kind of location, if everything goes right, is gonna be private property, no cops, nothing, you know, as far as police goes, can really affect this. And I mean, I don't really want to say too much, but at the same time, I want to let the couple of you that see this video know that it's going to be one hell of a freaking spot. Y'all notice me trying not to cuss as much. The point that I'm trying to make is it's not going to be in a parking lot somewhere. It's private property, private land. It's actually going to be in a field, and we are able to do burnouts, donuts. You know, there's some dirt in places, so we can mud if it's wet. You can bring, I think what we're gonna try and do is do like a half-day event, start it at 12 and cook out and just let it ride, you know, start at 12 and just hang out until it's over, you know? I think that's kind of what I wanna do. I don't wanna do your just typical show up at 7, hang out for a couple hours, get kicked out by the cops kind of meet. That's not, you guys know on this channel, that's not what we do. We're not about just the normal BS. So I will give you guys more updates as they come. I should be going to check this place out and, you know, finalize a date this weekend. So you guys definitely need to stay tuned. You guys didn't get much of a good look at the Tahoe yesterday because it was really starting to get dark. So I want to give you guys a full walk around of the Tahoe as it sits right now. Everything that we've done to it, give you guys an update on it, and then give you guys an update to what's to come. So let's, I guess, let's get started with the newest edition. Obviously, we've got the 305s on there, the Nitto Terra Grapplers. I absolutely love them. Now, we didn't go with the biggest tire in the world. One, because, you know, we don't want to just start cutting shit off of this truck. You know, it's a 2017 and we're not ready to start cutting off fenders and corners of the fenders and stuff like that. So went with a great tire, great mileage, warranty. They look aggressive as hell, and I'm super happy with how they turned out. I actually installed them myself, and yes, there is proof in former videos. We got the new grill put on, got demonized put into it. We did get the fog lights put in, or the brackets and everything mounted in. I still have to wire them. We got wheel lights that are going on the Tahoe. Probably next week is when I'll start on those. The windshield is about to get tinted darker. I think we're going, she's at 35% right now, and we're going 15%, I'm pretty sure. So that'll be getting redone soon. We've got everything chrome deleted. So obviously no more chrome on the grill. We got this, long story short, this is gloss black instead of chrome now as well. And all of the window trim is not chrome anymore either. And obviously you guys remember, for those of you that don't remember, got the hitch cover, got that painted, debadged the entire truck, and we did the Escalade rear tail light conversion as well. So I mean, we've done, oh, and the leveling kit. So we put a 3-inch leveling kit on the front of this thing as well, proudly installed by yours truly. And so we got a little bit of a baby squat going on, nothing too crazy, but I'm definitely liking how this truck is turning out. All of this, everything that we're doing to the truck right now is temporary. We do have bigger plans with this, but until we make that next step to those things, you know, this is kind of how it's gonna sit for a while. We also have a wrap that's going on the truck in the next couple of weeks as well. And I think there's 1 or 2 other things that I might be forgetting, but we've got so much great stuff going on with this thing right now. For those of you that don't remember, cold air intake, tune, cam, Cook's long tube headers, and a full Corsa exhaust under that thing as well. So I mean, it's completely decked out. But I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the Tahoe before we ride out. Sometimes I forget that I have demon eyes on this. Yeah. I feel like my truck is getting so neglected right now with all this great Tahoe content. Y'all like the 4-inch spacers? I think those 4-inch spacers are mean as hell. I might be making like a 3-hour drive this weekend with the 4-inch spacers on it, which really kind of scares me, kind of worries me, but I think we're gonna send it either way. You know, even when I'm driving the Tahoe, and I will be driving the Tahoe tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned for the next video. That should be fun. We're getting the alignment done tomorrow because of the new tires. Even when I drive the Tahoe, I put 93 into her truck. Why? Because, one, because, you know, I kind of like her a little bit, and two, because it deserves it. And I get wrong with my baby. Now that is how you end off a day. Went and picked up some food. I'm in a good ass mood too. So y'all stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.